The Unlink External command is used to unlink or disconnect an externally linked file. These are files that are externally linked to a different file location on your computer, for example. For example, this is when you have a large assembly and you have parts saved individually, not just as the one file like IronCAD can do. You have them saved out individually. For example, if someone in your organization is working on a file individually, like this bracket, and then that file is being updated in a larger assembly automatically with the capabilities of external file operations. If you're doing that, this unlink button will unlink that external link, which can be useful for example, creating a backup of your model, or just making changes that you don't want to happen in all of the linked files. For example, you might make a large change. In this case, we maybe want to make a large change to this bracket, and we say, well, actually, we don't want that large change to update every single case this bracket is used in all of our products. So we're going to unlink that so that we can make a big change to this bracket and have it only show on this bracket, not the rest of the ones used in our products. Note, sometimes you also need to unlink many files instead of just unlinking one. In this case, a faster way to unlink many files at once instead of having to select them individually is to go to Menu, File, Find References. Here you'll see the various references in your model. You can see we've only got one here, but if you had more, you'd see more, of course. And here you can then unlink them in bulk, which can be a lot faster than needing to go through and find your various linked files in your history tree here. In this Find References area, you can simply bulk select things and unlink them. So that those links are removed, and you can now save this as a single individual file with as many parts in it as you like. Whether you'd like just to do that because it's efficient or useful, or you'd like to create a backup of your model that has everything and it's going to stay the same and never going to be affected by future changes to parts in that model. You can create a really simple backup that way. That's how to use the unlink command.